Welcome to another Decipher Tools tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to save and print your Facebook messages as a PDF on your Windows or Mac computer. We're running today's demo on a Mac, however the software also works on any Windows machine. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to be notified of other upcoming Decipher Tools tutorial videos. In order to save and print your Facebook messages, you'll need to run the software Decipher Messenger Export on your computer. So the first thing you want to do is download the program. When you're on your Windows or Mac computer, navigate in your web browser to deciphertools.com. Scroll down on the product page until you see Decipher Messenger Export. Simply click on the Decipher Messenger Export option, and you'll be brought to the product page. Select Try for Free, and now you'll be on the download page. You can click Download Decipher Messenger Export to download the software on your computer. If you're on a Windows computer, the download option will automatically default to the Windows installer. You can now navigate to the Downloads folder on your computer or to wherever you downloaded the installer. For today's demo, we have the installer on our desktop, and we can simply double-click on it to install the software. Since we're running today's demo on a Mac, we can simply copy the Decipher Messenger Export icon onto the Applications folder to install the software on our Mac. Again, if you're on a Windows machine, simply follow the installation instructions on Windows to install the software. Once you've successfully installed Decipher Messenger Export on your Mac or Windows computer, navigate to the Applications folder and you'll see the product. To launch the software, simply double-click on the Decipher Messenger Export icon. When Decipher Messenger Export first opens, you'll notice that you're reminded that all your data is local and private on your computer. Only you have access to it. After opening the program on your computer, you'll notice that the next step is to download your Messenger data from Facebook. Once you've downloaded your Messenger data from Facebook, you then import the data into Decipher Messenger Export, and the program will let you save your Facebook messages as a PDF file. You can now follow the instructions here in the program and go to facebook.com and request your data download. You want to navigate in your web browser to facebook.com. After logging into your Facebook account, simply select your profile photo or the little triangle in the right corner of the screen. You'll then see the option to choose Settings and Privacy. After choosing Settings and Privacy, click Settings. Next, select Your Facebook Information. After selecting Your Facebook Information, you want to scroll down and select Download Your Information. Here you'll be presented with the file options, and you can choose the file format, media quality, and date range for your download. Select the format option and choose JSON. For media quality, we recommend choosing either medium or low. Under the date range option, you can choose to export messages from all time or various other time periods. Today we're going to choose all time. Before we move forward, please make sure that you've chosen the format option as JSON and not HTML. Next, scroll down on the facebook.com site to the Select Information to Download option. You'll see the option to deselect all here. Click that. With all the choices below deselected, you now want to choose Messages, then scroll down, and under the Personal Information section, you want to choose Profile Information. So the only two things you want selected here are Messages and Profile Information. After doing that, scroll down to the bottom and you'll see the option to start your download. Simply click Request a Download. If you are prompted for your password here, enter it. Once your download is ready, you'll be notified by Facebook here in the little notifications window. While your download is processing on Facebook, you might see the pending notification here in the window. It's been our experience that Facebook processes data downloads pretty quickly. However, just be patient while they process your data. Once you've been notified by Facebook that your data download is complete, you can simply click the download option in the program. Again, if you're prompted for your password, enter it. Sometimes Facebook will provide multiple zip files as part of your data download. If this happens to you, please download all the individual zip files that Facebook has provided. You'll have now successfully downloaded your data from Facebook. You can now close your web browser and facebook.com and navigate back to Decipher Messenger Export. Now that you've completed the downloading of your data from Facebook, you can select Next in Decipher Messenger Export. You'll now be prompted to import your zip file of your Facebook data into Decipher Messenger Export. Simply follow the instructions on screen. You can import the entire zip file, and there is no need to unzip it. If you have multiple zip files as part of your data download, make sure that you're importing all the zip files into Decipher Messenger Export. To select multiple zip files on Windows, you can control-click on each of the files to import them into the program. On a Mac, you can command-click. Select Next, choose the zip file, and select Open. You'll now see all your Facebook contacts imported into the program. For today's demo purposes, we only have messages with one contact, which is Kelly. However, if you have messages with many Facebook contacts, you'll see all the contacts listed here in the program. If for any reason you don't see your contacts imported into Decipher Messenger Export, please go back and double check that you requested the data download from Facebook with the correct settings as we previously covered. Now that your Facebook contacts have been imported into Decipher Messenger Export, you have the option to select all conversations or simply choose individual conversations. In this case, since we only have messages from Kelly, we'll select her, and now we can choose Next. By default, the export settings include both messages and calls, and they include any image or video thumbnails, as well as image previews from any linked or shared content. There is also the option on the screen to register and activate the software. The free trial of Decipher Messenger Export will let you save and print a few messages from any Facebook contact. The trial will give you a good feel for the program and whether it's right for your needs. If you want to export all your messages with a specific contact, you can purchase a license code to unlock the full version of the software. For today's demo, we're going to use our license code and activate our account. With the software successfully activated with your license code, you can now click Next to export your messages. After the software completes the export, a window will conveniently open with the folder that contains the PDF of your exported messages. Open the folder, and you can now double-click on the PDF, and you'll see all of your messages with your contact exported in PDF format. You'll notice that the PDF export of your Facebook messages also contains any photo attachments that are part of the messages. Another helpful feature is that the time and contact is displayed on every single Facebook message, both sent and received. This is helpful for documentation purposes or if you need to print your messages for evidence or court. To print your Facebook messages, simply select Print in your PDF viewer and you can print out the document. Keep in mind that you can also email the PDF to any friend, colleague, or business contact. For those of you with a large amount of Facebook messages from a specific contact, however you don't want to print all the messages, you can choose the Date Range Export option. After selecting the Date and Time Range Export option, you'll then be prompted to choose the start range of your messages and the date end range. This will enable any user to narrow down the range of the messages that you want exported and printed. We hope that today's Decipher Tools tutorial about how to save and print your Facebook messages has been helpful. If you have any product questions or need support using the program, contact us via our support page at deciphertools.com. You can also read reviews from other Decipher Tools customers on our testimonial page.